إِنَّا أَعْطَيْنَاكَ الْكَوْثَرِ. We've given you the greatest, the most abundant good.
Knowledge is one of the few things that benefits us even after we die. Once we are dead, our salah comes to an end, our zakah comes to an end, our fasting comes to an end. A lot of the good that we used to do is cut off. Only a few things remain. And of them, the Prophet ﷺ said, عِلْمٌ يُنْتَفَعُ بِهِ. Knowledge that is benefited from, that this person taught. So this person taught somebody how to pray. As long as that person prays, the initial teacher will get some of those blessings. Because you taught him how to pray. And the one who prays, his blessings will not be diminished. Allah Azza wa Jal doesn't need to, a'udhu billah, He is not stingy. Allah Azza wa Jal is al-Kareem and al-Mannan. He gives and He gives and He gives. So the one who prays will get the full reward. But the one who taught you how to pray will also get a reward for every prayer that you do. Every rak'ah that you pray, your teacher will get one reward of that. And you will get the full reward as well. Every time you recite Surah Al-Fatiha, whoever taught you Surah Al-Fatiha, if it was your mother, if it was your father, if it was your teacher or shaykh, whoever it was, he or she will get reward as well. Not just that, the teacher's teacher will get the reward for the teacher's actions and your actions as well. And the teacher's teacher's teacher, and so on and so forth. Because it's like a domino effect. It's like a domino effect. Every single domino that fell because of you, even if you're 10 generations away, you were a part and parcel of that domino falling by the blessings of Allah. So you will get some of the rewards, even if it occurs centuries after you have died. Because Allah chose you to pass that knowledge down and spread it to people. What do we do to gain this knowledge? It's all fine and dandy to talk about Quran and Sunnah and how it praises knowledge. What do I do as a college student, as an engineer, as a doctor, as an accountant? What do I do to gain some of this knowledge? And of course it goes without saying that the knowledge we're referring to is primarily Islamic knowledge. This is the knowledge that is praised in the Quran and Sunnah. As for secular knowledge, that is of course praiseworthy in its own right. But these blessings that we've talked about, this is Islamic knowledge. Knowledge of the Quran, the Sunnah, fiqh, tafsir, hadith, all of these things. And because Allah Azza wa Jal tells us that of the worst of mankind are those يَعْلَمُونَ ظَاهِرًا مِنَ الْحَيَاةِ الدُّنْيَا وَهُمْ عَنِ الْآخِرَةِ هُمْ غَافِلُونَ. They know plenty about this world. They know plenty about engineering, medicine, science, physics. They know plenty about it. But about the knowledge of the hereafter, about the real knowledge, they are completely ignorant. And likewise the Prophet ﷺ told us that of the worst of people, min shirar al-khalq, of the worst of people in this world, are those who spend their lives in the knowledge of this world, but neglect the knowledge of the hereafter. أو كما قال, a hadith to this meaning, that they waste their entire lives, waste because the knowledge that they've gotten might be useful, but there is a far more important knowledge that was neglected, and that is the knowledge of your religion and your Lord and your Creator and your purpose of life.